Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to delete a credit card from your online store over at Shopify. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So in this video, I'll be showing you two methods on how you can remove a credit card registered under your Shopify's account or your name, and it's actually quite simple. The first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account like I have here, and we're at the dashboard. And the idea here is we would get access to the settings tab, which is found on the bottom left corner of the screen. So it's this one right here. And there are a couple of ways to actually remove payment gateways for our store. So if you're talking about a payment method or a gateway that our customers can use, we would go to the payments tab. So it's this one right here. So when you guys go to payments, you should have the option to add a couple of different payment methods or providers like Stripe or Afterpay, stuff like that, PayPal. So these are the transaction methods or gateways that your customers can use. And to remove it is quite simple. Simply click on Manage to remove the payment method and delete payment method. And that's honestly all it takes. Now, if you guys want to remove the billing statements or the payment or the registered credit cards for your Shopify account, you wouldn't want to be in this tab right here. You would want to go to billing. So it's this third one right here. And normally, your billing profile as well as the credit cards registered to your account would be listed here. And it's pretty much the same deal. To remove it, just click on Manage and remove payment method or remove credit card and hit save. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, that's how you guys can remove your credit card over from Shopify. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.